Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a very simple chocolate chip cookie recipe. I enjoy this recipe, as you can see, and I hope that you do too. Let's start off with what ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. You're gonna need 1 cup of butter, 2.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1 pack of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. The first thing we're going to do is combine our butter, eggs, and sugar until it's nice and creamy and smooth. Well, not too smooth, because you want to give your chocolate chips some texture, but you just want to make sure that they're combined. Now, if you look and you see that I have a wet spot in my sugar, that's vanilla. But I quickly realized that I do not like vanilla in my chocolate chip cookies, so I will not be including it in future recipes. Now, you also need to combine your dry ingredients, your salt, your flour, and your baking powder, and add it to your mixture until it has a nice texture. Your cookie has a nice texture. You don't want it too smooth. And then once everything is mixed together, you go ahead and add your chocolate chips. Doesn't this look so good? Now, I went ahead and put my mix in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then I made 24 1-ounce balls, cookie dough balls. So I was able to get 24 1-ounce cookies. I measured it on my scale, I weighed it on my scale, and I baked it, and it was so delicious. So I hope you enjoy, like I did,